Turkey's aerospace industry has once again been in the global spotlight after the country's modern manufacturing facilities demonstrated their exceptional capabilities in producing and assembling components for giant Airbus aircraft. This development marks a major step forward in strengthening Turkey's position as a key player in the global aviation supply chain. Modern Airbus aircraft consist of millions of components that must be manufactured to extremely tight tolerances. The slightest error can impact the aircraft's performance and safety. Therefore, every stage of production requires sophisticated monitoring systems. The assembly facilities in Turkey are equipped with digital technology that enables real-time quality monitoring. One of the most impressive aspects of Turkey's aerospace industry development is its ability to process advanced composite materials. These materials are a crucial component of modern Airbus aircraft due to their lightweight yet extremely strong characteristics. The use of composite materials helps reduce the aircraft's overall weight, improve fuel efficiency, and lower carbon emissions. Within the modern production facilities, large aircraft parts are moved using automated logistics systems specifically designed to handle these massive structures. High-precision machines cut, drill, and join materials with exceptional accuracy. Digital technology plays an increasingly important role in modern production processes. The smart factory concept is beginning to be widely implemented in Turkey's aerospace facilities. Production machines can communicate with each other through an integrated data network. Information on equipment condition, product quality, and production schedules can be monitored directly by operators and management. Turkey's progress also reflects the success of the government's long-term industrialization strategy. The aerospace industry is viewed as a strategic sector capable of driving technological innovation and enhancing national economic competitiveness. Various incentives are offered to companies investing in aviation technology research and development.